In the frozen silence of Antarctica lies a fracture in Earth's story. A cosmic visitor, rich in carbon, struck our world and set histories in motion. From embers and pressure came fuels and firestorms that reshaped the planet. Across continents, ancient memories survived in maps, myths, and stone. Science meets legend as we trace the scars beneath ice, oceans, and mountains. This is the Antarctic impact theory, prophets of catastrophe. When the sky changes, someone writes it down, warnings etched into memory.
Isaiah speaks of a staggering earth, the hosts of heaven shaken, imagery of wobble and tailed lights.
Physics beneath the poetry. Axial precession, nutation, and signs of debris swarms passing overhead.
From Jerusalem's walls, a scribe notes a blazing sign, long tail, roaring winds, and a dimming sun.
Across cultures, the pattern repeats. Fire, a long night, roaring air, then the waters rise.
The Great tames the flood by cutting channels, engineering flow instead of damming the deluge.
Oral tradition compresses physics into story. The serpent, the spiral, the spear of light.
Hosts of heaven reads like a comet train, debris strings, plasma tails, and vortices in the sky.
After ignition comes shade, aerosols and soot spike albedo, temperature plunges, storms reorganize.
Scribes track omens, star lists, tablets, alignments, data preserved as liturgy and law.
Petroglyphs match motifs of current sheets and instabilities, spirals, ladders, forked serpents.
Timelines synchronize, soot bands, meltwater pulses, flood myths. One cause, many records.
In the lab, we map story to signal, myth memory, physical model, test against cores and skies.
The point of prophecy is practical. Remember the pattern so future eyes will recognize it.
Reading scars is not fear, it's instrumentation. Risk becomes a system you can prepare for.
Next, fingerprints in the solar system. If it happened here, the planets should carry the marks.